BETANCURIA brings mountain bliss and fabulous photo opportunities, provided you're okay with heights. The Mirador Morro Velosa is a nice stop-off for road users of all kinds. On a clear day, the views are amazing and really give you a sense of being in the middle of nowhere. Inside is a free museum with some thoroughly modern and interesting exhibits, along with a cafe. Very civilised. Held in high standing for centuries, this area was once the capital of the Kingdom of the Canary Islands, and to honour that point, there are 2 bronze statues of the former kings, Guize and Ayoze, complete with free parking and a telescope. Paths aplenty will amuse explorer types, with trails stretching for several kilometres. BETANCURIA itself has places to eat, drink, shop and generally be cosmopolitan. It's popular with those in the know, but not exactly a tourist hotspot. Great if you're seeking escapism with just a dash of adventure. The roads through the municipality are hilly and winding. If narrow passes with sharp drop-offs aren't your thing, we suggest the gentler northern approach from Antigua. The climate can differ substantially from the coast, so best to take something warm in the winter and definitely sun protection all year round. We've attached a few Google points of interest to this video. If you like decent scenery with added atmosphere, do try and check them out.